Today is Saturday, March 2nd, and as you can see, we're here at the boardwalk. We're gonna see how it is, because as you may know, yesterday, Friday, we had a big storm came through, and we're supposed to have some rain today. Right now, it's cloudy, but not like rain clouds. It's a little windy, but it's not too bad or what. I pulled up some of the rides were not running, like Typhoon and Undertone. I did not see. I also didn't see like Giant Dip or what. But we're gonna take a walk around. See what rides are open. I guess maybe some of the more indoor rides are open, because I did see the ticket booth was open, so obviously selling tickets or what. And we'll check on some construction progress on the 2 new rides. As you can see, the bumper cars are open. There's not a lot of people on that. I think there were only about 5 or 6 people on it. And I kind of suspected, like I said earlier, some of the more indoor rides are open. Looks like the carousel is open. I just saw a bunch of people get off the carousel. Is passing the Haunted Castle, and as you can see, there's not really much of a wait for the ride. Kind of thinking what we're going to do is we're going to come down, we'll take a look to see any construction progress on the 2 new rides, and maybe walk around, we'll see if like the cave train is open or what, and maybe then after that we'll go on a couple rides and kind of just go from there. I was just passing by the Giant Dipper and it was running, so hopefully we'll take a ride later. As you can see, they've kind of made some progress on the ride. I'm gonna guess the things laying down there are blue because they look at that ladder. They're gonna raise up once they do more, probably the construction on the kind of the base of the ride or what. I don't know, I'm not in the construction, so if anybody knows anything about that, you can please leave a comment down below. But it looks like they are making some progress. As you can see behind me, they have this blocked off again like they did, I think it was about 2 months ago. I know when we were here in January, they had it blocked off in February, and we were able to get back here. I don't know if this is because of the weather or anything with the construction. This is the closest I can get to see any progress on Surge. I can't really tell. I can see kind of through the scrim a little bit. You may not be able to see it. It looks like they still have the cars from Riptide still there, so I'm gonna guess they probably have not made a lot of progress on this ride yet. Okay, we're gonna ride a couple of rides that are open today, and today we're gonna start with the Giant Dipper. I just got off the Giant Dipper. That's a lot of fun. I always forget how fast that ride really is. As soon as you leave that station, you kind of take that dip down into the tunnel and kind of pick up some speed there or what. But that was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed that. Next up, I think we'll do the Haunted Castle.
love to have visitors here to me. I mean, eat with us. We always
awaits you right up ahead.
They call me the guillotine master. Here's why.
Okay, just got done with the haunted castle. I took some video. I don't know how well it showed out. It is kind of dark in there, but hopefully you enjoyed it. I was able to get an outside horse, so we're gonna grab rings and hopefully do our best to make him into the clown's mouth. Also, while I'm filming, if you haven't seen our video where last time I did this, I was able to make 3 in a row. Go to the short videos. I think it was one of the last ones I posted. You can take a look at that video of me making 3 in a row.
Welcome to the historic Loof Carousel. As a reminder, all guests must stand away from the outside edge, and only riders on horses may reach the rails. Thank you.
Got one. Oh, looks like somebody just got another one. I don't have any paper. gonna be it. I think.
Thank you for riding on this historic Loof Carousel. Please remain on your horse until you hear the bell.
All right, let's give it a ring before we ride. Oh, did it underhand. Oh well. That does it for our time here at the boardwalk. One, I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is starting to rain a little bit. Plus, you know, a lot of the rides were closed. We were able to get on a couple of rides today. But I hope you still enjoyed spending this time with me. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button as we do new videos about different attractions around the Bay Area all the time. And in just a couple of weeks, we've got Great America and Gilroy Gardens opening up, so we'll start going there and bringing you videos from there. Until next time, this is Michael with Bay Area Attraction.